Also the BP is working, huh? BP is working. I just only installed the license. Yesterday only he sent me this license. It's working. But I need to replace the PC soon. Once I receive the request of the new PC, I will change this one. Because this one is too much slow. I will install new one for the new PC. Stage 2, stage 3. Do you have a patient? Or how many you have patient? So many patient now? Yeah, because almost 1 month it's not working this one. So it's very long time. It's very hard to get the license from this Algusaibi company, really. And they are not cooperative also. That's my problem. So level 4 is okay. So I will change to more bradycardia. More stage 5. Very hard to reach stage. Oh, some. So there's sound of the fan. Oh, no problem, sir. It's fan blower only.
I will send you email for 10 time.
Hmm?
I will send you email
Yeah.
regarding your password and your registration, right?
No problem. Then to back normal.